Ujisu upaya kihinyau puarngot kisendran, kelanong gabasipo dokodi way haduk kendai.
After this, the Lord appointed 72 others and sent them 2 by 2 ahead of him to every town and place where he was about to go. He told them, "The harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. Ask the Lord of the harvest, therefore, to send out workers into his harvest field. Go, I am sending you out like lambs among wolves. Do not take a purse or bag or sandals, and do not greet anyone on the road. When you enter a house, first say, 'Peace' to this house. If someone who promotes peace is there, your peace will rest on them. If not, it will return to you. Stay there, eating and drinking whatever they give you, for the worker deserves his wages. Do not move around from house to house. When you enter a town and are welcomed, eat what is offered to you. Heal the sick who are there and tell them the kingdom of God has come near to you."
Ajeng Duria Bajing Pusan. Oleh biang adien gane ujisu ula dia sahenyo pu arngot barula pha ki arngot bandai hasua jong u haman na ki chnong bar ki jaka bu de bandai ulong haki kajeng od sisa kabun rei kinong trei ki khendiat ta duai hau trai kajeng od bon pha kinong trei ki Bandung ya kajeng od jong u ki ngapa ya pikum ki khon lang bradap leng ke suri wara ka plap bisa kaya rong lemne ki cuti wat sange ban kublai yano halentin apa pirung hakawe kaying da ong suwa kajing suk hakane kaying adau beri ubayi jing suku syong hang ta to kajing kublai jing suk jong pi kan sau lem kum ta kan pai biang sapi Tersaha kata kain, tobam tadi kat baki bu akamat jompi, nama runong tre ude banyo ala kabainong. Wat kentiap nakawe kain cakawe pat, apa pilai hakawe ke sinong barki priang sobai pi, tobam kat baki ayah pi. Tepengkot jagi bapang nang taba toong aki, kahima ublay kalajan. Kakubur bapau prai.